420. This is the birthday look, the birthday fit. Check it out, check it out. Your girl on the way to drop Sunny off right now with her dad because I'm going to New Orleans by myself. I'm taking a sweet little solo trip. I think it'll be good for my mental. I want to travel the world. The world is too big to stay in this small city. I want to see stuff, and it seemed like me relying on other people in groups and stuff, I ain't gonna never see nothing. So I gotta learn how to get out there on my own. So I'm gonna start small with a little 3-hour drive, and then after that we're gonna be flying like Dubai. All right, you guys, so it is currently almost 6 o'clock, I believe, and right now I'm about to curl my hair and get ready to go. We are no longer going to the skating ring. I decided to do the bowling alley, so that's where I'm getting ready to go right now. I'm about to curl my hair, get all cute, dolled up. I feel cute, I feel sexy. This isn't the original outfit I was supposed to wear, but it came in clutch. It's cute or whatever, so we about to just go ahead and get ready. I already did my eyebrows. Look at the lace. Purr. Y'all say hi. Say hi, Jalen. Say hi, Stink. We at Stripers. About to do some drunk bowling. Not too drunk though, because we got the baby. So you better do good. Oh, it's okay, because I turned it around.
And I put me up some drop.
Okay, boy. You're not pulling. Oh, no, you got to. We had left. I get 13, I get 14. Okay, birthday girl. Y'all say hi. Okay. How you being, good? And look sunny over there. Sure. Oh dang, I didn't even get you. Wings, okra. What are you doing? I gotta go bowl. I'll get you back later. You so fascinating. Okay. You just don't want to. Don't pop, no Sonny. I hate to see this girl in daycare. Okay. Sonny pool. Layla trying to be okay, sorry. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on all my social medias. They'll be on the screen and in the description box. Wish your girl happy 21st. Even though it's going to be after by the time this video get uploaded. It's cool or whatever.
Last year with no end in sight.
Hey, word on the street, I'm a suspect. Hanging with the killers in the projects. Taylor want a barrel, keep quiet. Catch a nigga slipping from behind. OG, Bobby, Johnson. OG, Bobby, Johnson. OG, Bobby, Johnson.
Okay, women. Hide you good, so good, hide it feeling. Pretending.
That's what your mouth say. With the footballs, got a nigga tripping. Fuck it, nigga keep sipping. AK with the beam on it. Clip sold up on like a lean on it. My nigga like behind ball. Move 100 pounds for a lawyer, beat the charge. Jack down, and they watch a fuck. If a nigga try to rob, fucking hit him with no. Word on the street, I'm a suspect. Hanging with the killers in the projects. They don't want a barrel, keep quiet. Catch a nigga slipping from behind. OG, Bobby, Johnson.
We're here. Not they flipped the police car. How they flip a police car? Y'all, I'm out here lost on Bourbon Street. I don't want to say it too loud because I don't want nobody to kidnap me. But I don't know my car. And I just jaywalked. And I just want to go home. This is enough nightlife for me. I didn't live. Oh, I wish I could have got to do more, but I came too late. But this, I don't know, I'm a little scared, y'all. They got a lot of people just sitting on the road and stuff, looking crazy. I don't know if this for me. Maybe I should stay in my small city. Yeah, look at this shit. Finally found my car. Oh shit. It's been an adventure. Let me get in the car. Alright, you guys, so it is currently the day after my birthday, around 8 o'clock. I'm on the way to pick up Priscilla. You guys see her when I did my little bowling alley get together or whatever earlier in the vlog. But I'm on the way to pick her up because she's gonna join me in my photo shoot. Yes, the girl is finally getting her photo shoot done. My shoots finally came in. I straightened the hair because I was kind of getting tired of the curls. You know, all my pictures had curls in it. This the fit. Don't mind the tummy. We still postpartum or whatever, but I'm super excited. My forehead look a little big though. I wish she would have pulled this wig up some more. I'm gonna show you guys my outfit more in detail when I get out of the car, but it is like around 7:45 and my appointment is at 8 o'clock. So I'm trying to pick her up and head to Fast Eddie's because I wanted my theme to be like an arcade. I feel like the vibe is definitely giving arcade. Everything from Shein. I also brought my cake because I didn't pay for it for no reason and I want to take pictures with it. So hopefully it stay together because the little shot bottles that I put on it, they kind of falling off. So hopefully it stay together just for the pictures. I don't think I showed you guys what the cake look like with the shot bottles. If they don't end up coming together because it won't stay, I'll insert some pictures. But if not, y'all see it later on in the video. And look at it, it's coming together. Oh, it came together, of course. Okay, so OTD, everything's Shein. Hold on, let me back up. Amazon because she ain't played me, so yeah.
Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my Tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my I can't really see where did I miss.
Act like yours.
Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my Tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my ex-strippers, new killers, shot, tell him, this on Donda, on my mama, made a promise, Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my tell him this, did he
I messed up, look, I knew it failed. Dang. I can stick it back in there. It's gonna work.
Take a picture of it.
I'm sorry, we don't allow any outside food due to regulations, health regulations.
Oh, we're not eating. We're just taking a picture of it with the lighting. Is that okay? Yeah.
I'm not gonna eat it, I promise.
No one's eating that. She was in that background.
Girl, okay. Girl.
be on my tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my
Okay, we at the fun zone.
I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my 4 5 sums, 4 5 sums, 4 5 sums, 4 5 sums. We took both, bro. We took both, bro. We took both, bro. We took both, bro. One in Atlanta, now Montana, excuse my manners, I got standards, excuse my manners, I got standards, I got status, you want status, see more comments, and I see commas, they gon' tell me, we going down to, let me be honest, I boy. Let me be honest. I roll with the bucks, boy. Spirit is on us. Spirit is thunder. God's time can't fit on the wrist. Junior wanna have me on my ish. Move out of the way of my release. Trying to get me off my cues and piss. What? Why can't losers never lose in peace? What? Ain't nobody around me losing sleep.
Drop it to the floor like that egg cloud. Let me see you bust it, bust it, bust it, bust it, bust it.
Yeah.
Work, 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 work. To me, I can work, 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 work. See me do me dirt, 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 dirt. Cause I'm about that work, 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 work.
I'm home. I'm home. I'm so tired. I'm gonna go sleep. I feel so bad for not recording for you guys. I'm so tired. Alright, you guys, so it is now Sunday and I'm currently on the way to go get Stink. Sorry I did not record too much. I feel like for this birthday vlog, like I did go out last night with some of my friends and we went bar hopping and I had a good time and I just did not record, but I had a good time, so that's all that matters. I feel like I had a good time because I didn't record. Like, not because I didn't record, but that's how you know I had a good time, because I wasn't even thinking about recording type stuff. So yeah, don't mind the way I look, y'all. This is literally how I woke up, y'all. This is how I end my birthday. Look at this. Hold on. Look at this. How I end my birthday. How I ended my birthday. I enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed it too. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on my social medias. They'll be on the screen and in the description box. Next video gonna be me getting my life back on track after my 21st birthday. Me turning back on mom mode, cause yeah, we are mom first around here. But I'll see y'all guys in that video. Hopefully, make sure to tune in.